Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve WeChat delay. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat delay, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of WeChat and you will click here in this page of app info. You will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Play Store, research about WeChat. If you will find here updates, you can click to update your application, and if it's not working with you, then you can turn off your phone and you will wait a moment, and then you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you